my life, this is my job, this is my journey, and I get to go to these insane places and compete.
Trying to reach the goal of being the best in the world.
Such hard.
In my head, I had things going on saying I'm not going to have a good run, but then I got to the top, and before I pushed out, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to send it, and this is going to be a really good run, and it was.
This was your first World Championship race!
But I got a glimpse as to what my future does hold.
Here's the buzz cut.
No comments. Just keep them to yourself.